वेलकम बैक फ्रेंड्स टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू। आज की इस वीडियो में हम रिव्यू करेंगे इस वीक की जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू डेटा साइंटिस्ट रोल। तो अगर आपने रिसेंटली कोई कोर्स पास आउट किया है डोमेन से रिलेटेड, और इफ यू हैव परस्यूइंग एनी कोर्स रिलेटेड टू डेटा साइंस डोमेन, लुकिंग फॉर एनी इंटर्नशिप और फ्रेशर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, or you have prior working experience as a data scientist, you are actively searching for a job change as an experienced data scientist, then this video is worth watching. इस वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे और रिव्यू करेंगे व्हाट आर द टॉप रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ अ डेटा साइंटिस्ट इंटर्न, what are some technical skills required to apply for these job positions, salary and benefits companies are offering, and at the end how we can apply for these job opportunities. और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उस सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मैं प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। और अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम इस चैनल पे विजिट कर रहे हैं, यू आर अ मिड लेवल प्रोफेशनल, अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ डेटा एनालिटिक्स और लुकिंग फॉर अ फ्रेशर और इंटर्नशिप जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी इन डेटा साइंस, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, पावर बीआई, सीक्वल और पाइथन डेवलपर रोल, मेक श्योर आप ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, बिकॉज इस चैनल पे मैं आपको रेगुलर बेसिस पे इन डोमेन से रिलेटेड जॉब्स अपडेट अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ। And apart from this YouTube platform, you can also follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page as well, जहाँ पे आपको रेगुलर बेसिस पे, डेली बेसिस पे इन डोमेन से रिलेटेड जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहते हैं, करियर डेवलपमेंट टिप्स एंड इंटरव्यू टिप्स भी टाइम टू टाइम आपको प्रोवाइड कराता रहता हूँ। तो अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको ऐसे डेली बेसिस पे अपडेट्स मिलते रहे, मेक श्योर आप ये चैनल फॉलो एंड सब्सक्राइब कर रहे हैं। एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द लाइक एंड शेयर बटन। और जब आप ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, मेक श्योर आप बेल आइकन प्रेस कर रहे हैं सो दैट यू कैन रिसीव ऑल जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस व्हेनेवर आई एम पब्लिशिंग अ न्यू वीडियो ऑन दिस यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म। First company in the list is Seagate, hiring for data scientist intern, location Pune, salary up to 2.5 lakhs per annum, that's a stipend, and experience would be freshers. Key responsibilities: be a part of 10-12 platform engineers that are the crux of developing and maintaining big data. Also apply your hands-on subject matter expertise in the architecture of and administration of big data platforms. Develop and manage Spark ETL frameworks with Airflow and support building Presto Trino queries for the key stakeholders. And collaborate with application architects and business SMEs to design and develop end-to-end data pipelines and supporting infrastructure. Skills and qualifications for the job role: you need to have at least a bachelor's degree in computer science, data analytics, or similar discipline to apply for the job post. Desired skills: excellent coding skills in any language with deep desire to learn new skills and technologies. You are a passionate professional who is up to the challenge of blending the fast-changing technology landscape of big data analytics and the complex and high-impact space of high-tech and manufacturing analysis. Also, exceptional data engineers skills in large, high-scale data platforms and applications using cloud and big data technologies. So these are some key responsibilities and technical skills for this internship opportunity, and this is the link to apply for this job post. Next company in the list is Capital One, hiring for data scientist, location Bangalore, salary 5 to 11 lakhs per annum estimated, experience 2 to 3 years. Key responsibilities: partner cross-functionally with data scientists, quantitative analysts, business analysts, software engineers, and project managers to manage the risk and uncertainty inherent in statistical and machine learning models. Build and validate statistical and machine learning models through all phases of development. Develop new ways of identifying weak spots in the model predictions earlier and with more confidence. And leverage a broad stack of technologies like Python, R, Conda, AWS, and more. Skills for the job post: degree in statistics, math, engineering, economics, and financial engineering, and at least 2 years of experience with model development or validation. Same experience in R or Python for large-scale data analysis. 2 years of experience with the relational databases and SQL, and strong analytical skills with high attention to detail and accuracy. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company in the list is GE Healthcare, hiring for data scientist or AI intern, location Bangalore, experience freshers, stipend would be attractive. Key responsibilities: you'll work with AI scientists to design and implementation of advanced deep learning models to automate and enhance clinical tasks. Evaluate and summarize the state-of-the-art algorithms pipelines for specific clinical applications. Ensure the precision and applicability of algorithms across varied patient diversity through comprehensive analysis and error estimation. And facilitate the development of versatile software emphasizing reusability and scalability. Skills and qualifications for the job role. So if you are a student pursuing PhD or Masters by research in computer science or STEM majors at reputed educational institutions, you can apply for the job post. Desired skills, expertise in medical image analysis and computer vision topics, demonstrated mastery of Python and in the use of AI stacks, PyTorch or Tensorflow, and demonstrated skills in the use of applied analytics, descriptive statistics, and predictive analytics on industrial data sets. So these are some key responsibilities, and if you have prior experience or good knowledge on this domain, you can apply for this job post, and this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company in the list is Roche, hiring for data scientist, location Hyderabad, attractive salary, experience 2+ years. Key responsibilities: apply specific fit for purpose methods and implement analytics and processing algorithms, onboard data into Snowflake and further database systems, and implement data loads and data analysis, including backend development, SQL, and Python. Operationalize models leveraging AWS microservices and set up optional architectures. Support project independentability, partnering with business stakeholders to ensure business needs are met, and also build and strengthen relationship with other departments group across Roche to help identify and synergies and streamline redundancies. Skills and qualifications: a bachelor's degree. If you have master's degree, that would be a plus in mathematics, computer science, stats, engineering, or information science. Also, professional work experience in at least one of the following languages: SQL, Python, or DBT. A strong team player with interpersonal skills and strong collaborative and solution-based mindset. And also solid experience with stakeholder management. And this is the link to apply for this job post. Next company in the list is Stats Perform, hiring for data scientist or AI intern. Location Bangalore, attractive stipend and experienced freshers. Key responsibilities: create and develop new ideas in a cross-functional role of research and development, engage with domain experts as well as senior leaders and engineers to effectively deliver interpretable results, also deal with enormous amounts of unstructured or structured data, do analysis on sports-related problems and create solutions to address these interesting problems. Skills and qualifications. Education qualification: if you are currently pursuing a degree in machine learning, computer vision, or related, you can apply for the job post. And desired skills: knowledge, experience in some or all of the following: multivariate regression, boosting, decision trees, logistic regression, recommendation system, metric learning, multitask transfer learning. So if you have prior working experience or good knowledge on these skills, you can apply for this job post by clicking on this link, and this link you'll be getting in the description box of this video. Next company in the list is Flutter Entertainment, hiring for data scientist, Hyderabad location, salary 5 to 9 lakhs per annum estimated, experience 1 to 3 years. Key responsibilities: across areas such as sports, betting, gaming, and other products, you will have the opportunity to develop advanced ML engineer solutions to streamline AI solutions. Also, work with diverse teams to become an architect of innovation with AI, driving the company's strategic edge by transforming raw data into actionable insights. Skills and qualification: bachelor's or university degree, you can apply for the job post. You should be proficient in Python programming languages and a deep understanding of statistical and machine learning techniques. Experience manipulating large data sets using SQL and Spark. And this is the link to apply for this data scientist opportunity. Next company in the list is Copper Digital. So if you're looking for any internship opportunity in Gurgaon location, you can apply for this job post. Skills and qualifications and roles and responsibilities: assist in building and training machine learning models, work on data pre-processing, feature engineering, and model optimization, collaborate with developers and data scientists to implement AI solution, and document findings, experiments, and code for future references. Skills and qualifications: currently pursuing or recently completed a degree in computer science, AI, data science, or related field. And technical skills: strong understanding of Python and AI ML frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn. Also familiarity with data structures, algorithms, and deep learning concepts. Basic knowledge of NLP, computer vision, or reinforcement learning would be a plus. And this is the link to apply for this internship opportunity. Next company in the list is Wolters Kluwer, hiring for data scientist associate. Location would be Pune, attractive salary, experience 0 to 2 years. Roles and responsibilities: collect and standardize data from various sources, assist in cleaning and pre-processing data to ensure accuracy and consistency, conduct preliminary data analysis to support more senior team members, also participate in training machine learning models with guidance, prepare simple visualization and reports to present basic findings, stay updated with the latest data science trends and tools, and support data integrity and validation initiatives. Educational qualifications, bachelor's degree in CS, IT or data science. Desired skills, basic techniques of pre-processing and cleaning data sets, familiarity with the basic Python for data manipulation, understanding of SQL, basic understanding of SQL for querying data, and proficient in using Excel for simple data analysis and visualizations. So these are some key responsibilities for this job opportunities, and this is the link to apply for this job post. So friends, these are few job opportunities for the role of data scientist. Today I try to focus more on internship role. I hope you like this video. Let me know your feedback in the comment section, and thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.